What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Princess by Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or I will show up to your birthday party with the fucking mafia. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay, you guys, so this song is in standard tuning. You're only using a few different chords, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It has all the major chord diagrams in there, as well as a bunch of really useful information for you guys. So if you need the chord diagrams, jump into the video description once you get done. It's there for you. You're starting out with a C major chord. It's going to be 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Then you're going to go D minor, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 1. And then A minor, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. And then G major, which is 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. And then finally F major, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Now once you get the chords down, all you need is the strumming pattern. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So the first 3 chords are the same, and then you're quickly switching between your G and your F with down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So again, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.